Overcast, cloudy October morning. Good morning from the Rhine River. Yesterday we had a big drive over the Alps from Italy. We left Italy early in the morning. We arrived in Germany in the evening, just as it was on dark. So we crossed all Switzerland in one day. We found this little campsite here, just over the river, quite literally. There she is, the Rhine River. And that over there in the distance is Switzerland. And here, where I'm sitting, is in Germany. So yeah, we crossed all of Switzerland in one go yesterday. We just wanted to see if we could, see how far we'd get. We did get over the Rhine. We did get into Germany. So today, we're going to have a bit of a snooze and then head up through the Black Forest. I'm going to follow the B500. We're going to end up somewhere close to Frankfurt, Koblenz-ish type of area tonight. One more sleep and then on to home tomorrow. So we should be home tomorrow about midday. It's nice on the river. It's cloudy, it's overcast, it's a bit gloomy looking. It's warm, 13 degrees. A huge stark contrast to where we've been the last few days. But that's the beauty of it. It's cool, I dig it. I dig it down here. Must be that one. Yep, that's it there. Like a mini motor. Ooh, fuck, that's sweet.
And you put sugar in it. Do you miss Italy already for the Italian coffee?
I miss Italy already.
Yeah, me too.
We're going up that road there.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Germany tonight. Another bratwurst for dinner.
Exactly, see, you know it. Bratwurst makes the world go round.
What? So,
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Seifer's Motorbike Channel.
so we're here now on the west outskirts of Frankfurt. So yesterday we woke up at the Rhine River, and today we woke up actually next to the main river. So we drove from the Rhine to the Main. We drove an incredible route over the B500 through the Black Forest, which is a road that a lot of bikers talk about, and magazines and everything, and
Website.
they're totally right. It was an amazing drive. It was absolutely incredible. The roads were super nice, and the time of year that we went was actually really nice because the colors of the trees were all orange and red and yellow, and it was absolutely stunning.
Autumn vibes.
Yeah, and we got lucky because the weather was really good. It was
Frankfurt,
right?
it's about, I don't know, 5 kilometers that way up the river. And it flows into the Rhine River about 5 kilometers that way over there. And there we came here to this little suburban village. Actually, we don't even know the name still. We don't know the name
It's
of
Frankfurt.
the place.
I looked it up.
Oh.
It's Frankfurt am Main West.
Frankfurt on Main, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever. And we went out for dinner. And it's a really cute as fuck little old town village. It's got a cloister, it's got an old cathedral church type of thing, and it's got an old palace out here by the looks of it. And the little square that's just here, the Schloss Square, was, yeah,
Super cute.
we'd never expected it because the hotel we're staying in was very cheap on booking.com, and it's above a Indian takeaway restaurant, to give you an idea of the level of accommodation we're staying at.
It smells like Indian food in a room.
And it has a shared bathroom, so that's the quality we're talking about here. So we never knew that this little square was like, never knew it was like this. This little square's amazing, and we're going to walk there on the way back to get the bikes. Let's go.
Ready? Ready to go home?
No, not ready to go home.
Last day.
But it is the last day. Programmed into the GPS to take us to the border, German-Dutch border. And that's just over 3 hours away. So that's the first leg along the motorway. Unfortunately, boring as but we gotta do it. We gotta do it. Let's go. Wait a second, sister.
I enjoyed every second of our trip to Sardinia. Truly, every single moment. And yet, I experienced it with slightly mixed feelings, because I had just gotten my motorcycle license right before we left. With every turn we took, there was a little voice in the back of my mind thinking, I wish I already had my own bike so I could be riding myself. Sitting on the back felt different this time. Now that I know how to ride, I felt the road in a new way. More aware, more connected, almost itching to take the handlebars. But despite that, or maybe even because of it, I love this trip so much. Motorcycle travel is simply something special. The freedom it gives you, the raw connection to the landscape, the incredible places it takes you, the sense of adventure around every bend, it's hard to describe. If I had to sum it up in one word, addictive. Sardinia is such an incredible island for this kind of journey. It's rugged, wild, and full of character, with endless roads that seem to be made for two wheels. My only regret is that I didn't research a little bit more beforehand. I can't shake the feeling that we might have missed a few hidden gems, but I guess that just means we'll have to come back one day. And when we do, it will be on two motorcycles.
That was so fake.
It's quite heavy.
You home?
Home sweet home.
Home was where the heart is?
Yes. Well, also a little bit on the road, to be honest.
Okay. And now?
And now, get everything off the bike and take a warm shower and probably go to bed. Right?
Good option.
Yeah.
Happy?
Yes, it was a fucking cool trip.
3 weeks on the road?
Yes, I could have kept going.
And how does it compare to being in Greece?
Oh, now Greece still is a winner.
Greece is still the winner?
Greece is the winner. But it was a nice holiday.
Greece is still the winner.
But we're gonna compete Greece with a bigger trip someday.
Yeah, we're going to combine.
Right? Yeah.
Combine.
Oh yeah, combine. That's even better.
Combine Greece and Italy. All right, cool. Signing out.
Ciao.